Hey friends, how are you? Hope everything is going good, and let me start with the product now, Unbeatable. Okay, so this product is all about affiliate marketing or online marketing course. So you will be learned inside this product. Okay, so this is a meme image created by me, and I always create meme or this kind of products, this kind of product images. Sorry, so you can get the product easily. This product will be explained to you easily, and I can describe the product easily, so it will also make you laugh also. That is my also one of my main purposes, to make these kind of images or memes. So Unbeatable is all about affiliate marketing knowledge or course, something like that, or online marketing knowledge. So I have not gone through this product. Let me firstly clear you that I just want to add up my bonuses. That is my main purpose, and I just want to also earn money. That is my also main purpose. Okay, so that's why I'm making this video. So this is the product price, kind of 8.95 cents. That means kind of $9 approximately, but price will be rising up after launch, as these guys are already saying. I will show you the photo of the guys also. So this is the launch period, and they are giving you also 30 days 100% assured money back guarantee. And this is the product description, and these are the owners. These two guys are the owners, Eric Hammer and Sorin Constantine. And in my word, I have not gone through this. Okay, all I can say that this is an affiliate marketing course, and for $9 you are getting affiliate marketing course. That means it is very cheap. In my opinion, there are so many affiliate course outside, and their minimum price is kind of $17. Okay, so this guy is charging very less. Although I don't know what these guys are giving inside these videos, but my wish, or kind of my desire, is to punch my bonuses with this product. Okay, so lastly, I highly recommend any online, sorry, not highly recommend, I recommend any online marketer, any online learner for newbie to get this tool. Okay, so this is the sales funnel, and let me show you that these funnels are really big. You can go through the description via the video description link, and also get my bonuses. Also, you will be redirected to this page once you have clicked the video description link that is given below, and you can check out all of the upsells of this product. And now let me start with the bonus part. Okay, so this is the owner's bonus. So this bonus will be given to you. These bonuses, let me show you, there are more bonuses also. So these bonuses will be given to you once you have purchased the product. That will come by default. You have nothing to do. Okay, so you have nothing to worry, or you have nothing to do. Sorry, kind of, I don't want to say you have nothing to do, but you have that will come by default. Okay, that is sometimes I forget what to say, cause my vocabulary is not strong on for English. Okay, so these are the bonuses. These 5 bonuses comes by default with this product, and let me show you now my bonuses. So you will be given from my side. There are so many PC games, kind of 5 famous PC games will be given to you from my side, totally free. If you are not a game loving person, then I have much more to you. Okay, so you will be given 4 case studies. Okay, so from the title you can guess the importance of this kind of case studies, and you will be given Facebook help, you will be given YouTube help, kind of YouTube knowledge, Facebook knowledge, and so many ebooks that can help you to grow online, to earn online. Okay, so also you will be given inside upsell version, inside upsell bonuses. That means if you purchase any upsell from my website, from this site, or from my link, you will be given more, and that is crazy. Okay, so let me show you now upsell bonuses. You will be given 200 plus softwares, 75 plus plugins, 1K plus high quality graphics, and 1.46K doodle character images, and also 100 miscellaneous product, kind of private label rights products. Okay, you can resell them. So also you will be given kind of 3 games, but it is restricted to first 10 members. Okay, so cause those who are coming first, they should serve first. Okay, they should get the opportunity. That's why this method or this process. Okay, so once you, after purchasing the product, you have to go through your purchase history option inside your Warrior Plus account. Okay, Via that option you can get only this blue button. So this blue button will give my bonus link. Okay, so this is the only way to get my bonuses. Okay, so after purchasing the main product, you have to go through your purchase history option. Inside that option you will be given this blue button, and via that button you can get my bonuses. So that was the overview. I don't want to say overview of the product, but that was the overview of my bonuses, and I am signing out for the video. So I'm wrapping up the video. So bye bye.